Hey everyone, want to check which version of PowerShell you're using? Knowing your PowerShell version is important because some commands, modules, and scripts only work with specific releases. In this full guide, I'll show you several easy ways to check your PowerShell version on Windows. So let's get started. First, open PowerShell 7 or Windows PowerShell. Click the Start menu, type PowerShell, and launch the application. The easiest and most reliable way to check your PowerShell version is by running the following command. PS version table, PS version This displays the major, minor, patch, and build numbers of your installed PowerShell version. If you'd like more system information, display the complete version table instead. PS version table. This command shows additional details, including the PowerShell edition, compatible versions, operating system, platform, and more. You can also check the version of the current PowerShell host by running this command. Get host. The output includes the host version and other environment information. If the major version number is 7, you're running PowerShell 7. If it shows 5.1, you're using the older Windows PowerShell that's included with many versions of Windows. If you're using an older version, consider updating to the latest PowerShell 7 release for improved performance, new features, and security updates. And that's how to check your PowerShell version on Windows. Whether you're troubleshooting, installing modules, or following tutorials, knowing your PowerShell version helps ensure everything works correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.